237, 62 power 4. 237, 62 power 4. Last two digits we require. 62 power 4. It is 62 square whole square. 62 square whole square. 62. How much more than it is 50? 12 square. 12 square is 144. 44 square. 44 is how much less than 50? 6 less than 50. 6 square is 36. First 6 are power 2. Next we will take power 4. Power 120, power 360, like that. Right? You can solve any problem. 23762 power 4. 62 power 4. 62 square power square. 62 square. 62 square is 12 more than 50. 12 square is 144. 44 square, it is 6 less than 50. It is 36. Another problem. 8798 power 4. 8798 power 4. 8798 power 4. It is nothing but 98 power 4. It is 98 square whole square. 98 square is 2 square whole square. 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. This is the basic level question. Basics, I am sure most of you might have solved in the least possible time. What is important to me is not the basic level question. Now I will increase the level of difficulty. I hope these problems are clear. Suppose I 1735 power 120. 1735 power 120. Right? Power 120. 120, it is an even number. If the power is an even number, then the number is a perfect square. Then the number is a perfect square. Are you all with me? 1735 power 120. 120, it is a power. Power is an even number. Then it is a perfect square. What is the nature of a perfect square ending with 5? 5 square 25, 15 square 225, 25 square 625, 35 square 1225, 45 square 2025, 65 square 4225, 75 square 5625, 85 square 7225, 95 square 9025. Answer is always 25. Answer is always 25. 1735 power 120. Power is an even number. Then the number is a perfect square. Any perfect square ending with 5. Tens place is always an 2 value. Tens place, it is always 2. I hope this idea it is clear. Next one. Another question. Level 2 questions. Level 2 questions. Another 3 to 4 questions which we will discuss. Level 2 questions. First one. How many 4-digit perfect squares? How many 4-digit perfect squares? How many 4-digit perfect squares ends with? How many 4-digit perfect squares? First question. Kavita, you want me to go slow? I will reduce the speed. Right? Thanks for the feedback. How many 4-digit perfect squares? How many 4-digit perfect squares? First question. 39, 74, 45, 46. How many 4-digit perfect squares? Question. How many 4-digit perfect squares ends with 39, 74, 45, and 46. What is that we discussed? It is a perfect square. What is the form of a perfect square? Either it is 4 into something or 4 into something plus 1. Either it is 4 into something or it is 4 into something plus 1. What is the divisibility rule of 4? Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. I hope it is clear. Each and every important key point which I am mentioning on the board is of extreme value. Very difficult questions. You can simplify it if you are good in these concepts, because the keyword in this question is a perfect square. A perfect square always will be of the form 4 into x or 4 into x plus 1. Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 39, 4 into 9 plus 3. There exists no 4-digit number which will end with 39. Because if it is a perfect square, it should be of the form 4 into something or 4 into something plus 1. 74. 4 into 18 plus 2. There exists no 4-digit perfect square which will end with 4k plus 2. 46. 4 into 11 plus 2. 4k plus 2 form will not arise. There exists no 4-digit perfect square. 45. Just now we discussed. If a square is ending with 5, 5 square 25. 25 square 625. 45 square 2025. Any perfect square ending with 5. Tens place should always be 2. Tens place should always be 2. If a perfect square is ending with 5, these is also not possible. Answer is 0, 0, 0, 0 for all the questions.